Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Dodge Challenger versus police cars. We'll explore the distinct advantages each vehicle offers, highlighting their unique design philosophies and operational strengths. Understanding their intended uses will help us determine which is truly better for its specific role. We'll look at performance, durability, and specialized features to give you a clear picture. When it comes to raw power, the Dodge Challenger truly shines. Many models boast impressive horsepower, with some top trims exceeding 800 horsepower. This translates into incredible acceleration, often hitting 60 miles per hour in less than 3.5 seconds. Challengers are engineered for enthusiasts who crave a powerful, engaging driving experience on the open road. Police vehicles are built for a completely different purpose, emphasizing ruggedness and reliability. They feature reinforced chassis, heavy-duty suspensions, and specialized braking systems designed for demanding conditions and high-speed pursuits. Furthermore, these cars are equipped with advanced communication and tactical technology, making them indispensable tools for law enforcement operations and public safety. So, which vehicle is truly better? The answer depends entirely on the job at hand. Police cars are engineered for durability, tactical operations, and reliable pursuit capabilities, making them ideal for law enforcement. Challengers, on the other hand, are designed for exhilarating speed and a powerful driving experience. For those looking for great deals, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other fantastic offers. Each vehicle excels in its specialized role.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.